Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Suicide Grind still hasn't fixed his fucking phone case yet because he's fucking lazy and can't do fucking shit. But today we're making some fucking history. It's gonna be the first 100% Swedish. Don't you fucking dare say it's wrong, because it's not wrong. It's gonna be the first Swedish English review of the fucking, piece of trash fucking straw. No, we're not reviewing the piece of trash paper straw. We're reviewing the fucking amazingness that people call the spicy McNuggets. Now, if you don't know, spicy McNuggets is a new thing here in Sweden. At least in my place, it is. So I've never had the spicy McNuggets. I had spicy chicken before. For example, they have hot wings, and I'm hoping these are as hot as the hot wings, because that is a perfect hotness to flavor balance. So that's what I'm hoping for. Now, this cost me $4 because I had the mobile app. We're still rolling though, right? Yep. I had the mobile app that lets me get this for $4, but it's actually about $8. So keep in mind, this is my first impressions of the spicy chicken McNuggets in the company. Actually, this fucking packaging won't fucking stand up like a fucking dumbass. But that's alright. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna let it lay down. Just being a little bit of a bitch. And if you know me, you know that I like barbecue sauce. Shit. I think McDonald's barbecue sauce is alright. If it's the right sauce, I'll notice. First gotta test the fries, because the fries are the highlight, Okay. They did spill a lot. However, unless this one's shitty. They might not be hot, but today's fries were pretty fucking solid. I don't know why I have two barbecue sauces. I only need one, so I'm putting the other one in the fucking fridge. I'm pretty sure the only reason I got it is because it's a full menu deal for $4. So this is actually a large fries. I'm pretty sure I could have gotten a large drink too, but here's the first presentation of them, and wow, they really are darker than the original. So, dude, I don't even have to get up close. I can the smell is actually filling up the room. So this looks a lot more than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's 9. Okay, so it's smelling a little more spicy, but let's give them B or A on the presentation. There were some loose fries, which don't deduct points, by the way, for me. And they'd redeemed themselves with the fries, because they don't taste like ass. And one thing I hate with McDonald's is that their fries always taste like fucking ass. They give you old fucking potato asshole tasting fries. But these, they were served nicely today. I can't stop eating them. That one wasn't cooked properly. But that doesn't deduct points because they salted them well as well. So, here we go. This is the first time I've ever laid my hands and soon taste buds on the spicy McNuggets. My inspiration for this, obviously, the report of the week, review bra, or whatever he calls himself in the video, running on empty. That's what he calls himself. And it's also inspired by Asmongold. Now, I trust Asmongold in terms of food because I've seen some of his reviews, and usually he doesn't say something's good unless it is. So, and I definitely trust report of the week or, review bro. So, I'm a little bit nervous. It's still hot. It's good. So, 3, 2, 1, experience. Wow. Only reason I took so many bites is to really get an example there. Now, for me, it's always I need to have 2 bites before I can determine, because the first one is the one that gets the spice going. Now I gotta get the flavor going. Alright. The reason I didn't dip them in the sauce is because I want to see them how they are, like in the crust. I'm gonna rate them on their own first. Now, I'm a little bit of a fucking pussy when it comes to hot stuff. But I've had worse. Let's just say that. If you check my channel, you can actually see that I had a piri-piri challenge once. That was much harder than this. But I can still talk, and I was able to feel the flavor fully on the second one, because the first one is when it gets going. And I'll review both experiences. So, in terms of being hot, yeah, it's decent. It's not bad. It definitely comes in and it hits you in the mouth with some warmth. But after the first one, it's going to stay that way. It's not going to get any worse. It's not going to get any less. It's going to maintain that heat level. So after the first one, you can leave out, you can have a drink, you can have a couple breaths. But then you're in. You're. It's like getting a license. Once you get the license, you're in for the drive. So after the first one, which obviously the spice is good. So on the spice level, I would rate this 10 out of 10, because this was about the same as the hot wings that I have in my town. And I rate that 10 out of 10 because hot wings are fucking awesome, man. Now, the flavor department, I did taste some flavor in the first bite. And in the second bite, I have even more. Now, the flavors I tasted were your typical chicken nugget spreading, but and the typical chicken itself. But it has... That's why you had me going for a second there, because it has something about it. There's something in the flavor that I can't quite describe with my mouth. But there's a flavor there. I definitely understand it. They have to do something with the spicy nuggets that have it a different flavor. And I'm not even talking about pepper flavor. I'm talking about something else. Now, these look menacing. I mean, if you see here, it looks like it's bleeding from there. I'm just fascinated by the looks and the feels and taste. But whatever that taste that's creeping up on me is, it's making me like this a lot. This is easily infinite out of 10. This is easily some of the best nuggets I've ever had in my life. I'm gonna tell you that. The only thing I can really say is I can't describe it. That's the only con. That's the only negative. I can't describe what it is that I like so much because I don't quite understand what I'm tasting in that little creeping flavor. But it's good. It's 10 out of 10. This is nuggets don't get better than this. The spiciness, I definitely understand now the craze about these, and to answer the simple question of fuck. It's still recording. Okay, thank you. And to answer the simple question of are they better than the regular ones? Go fuck yourself for even fucking asking that. Go fuck yourself for even thinking that. Of fucking course they're better than the normal ones. You know, I went into this one knowing that I could expect something innovative and new for myself, because I haven't really had spicy nuggets to this extent. Those fucking fries, man. They're so good today. Should have gotten a large. But, yeah. I'm going to taste them now with the barbecue sauce. Just to see. Okay, that should add a little bit of smokiness to it. Barbecue sauce itself, I gotta taste though. Okay. It's better than the last time I had it at McDonald's. Last time I had barbecue at McDonald's, that's why I was a little concerned. I usually get the curry sauce. But this time, I figured I fucking love barbecue sauce. I'm pretty sure I even was planning on having barbecue sauce on my steak, but I didn't because I had some other shit down the side. So, I'm gonna dip a little bit. I'm not gonna dip a lot, and then I'm gonna, you know, it's a decent drench there, and then you just go for like half. Wow. Even with as much as I dipped, because I thought I was gonna I thought I dipped too much as soon as I put it in my mouth. Even that much, it was, oh my god, dude. Okay. I'm gonna try dipping a very little amount. Just like that, and having a beer diet. Okay, no, you gotta dip. You gotta go all in. You can't just No, you go all in. It's still good, but it's not the same amount of goodness. Okay. With barbecue sauce, the barbecue sauce itself is doing magic here in my mouth. So, but with the nuggets, the barbecue sauce really shines. It gives another good flavor, and I'm gonna try one with the fries. Barbecue sauce, man. You can never go wrong with that. It just tastes good on everything, dude. Because when you eat it by itself, it's good, but it's kind of shitty in a way. Not in a bad way. It's shitty in a good way on its own. But when you mix it, you can actually taste the sweetness of the barbecue. Yeah. I think it's obvious. It was obvious from the start what this was going to be. It's a 10 out of 10. And, I've been Sue Grind. You've been watching me experience probably the best nuggets I've ever had. And yeah, fucking peace, man.